How to create a group on WhatsApp. If you also enjoy chatting with friends, groups are the perfect place for that. Today, I'll show you how you can create a group on the WhatsApp app and enjoy communicating with your friends. So let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. A window with more options will open. The first option we need is New Group. Click on it to start the group creation process. To easily find the desired contact, click on the magnifying glass and type the contact's name in the search field. When the contact's name appears, simply click on it and they will be added to the group. Repeat the process until you have added all the members. I will add 2 contacts. Once you have added all the members, press the green button with the arrow. Enter the group name. In addition to letters, you can also enter some symbols. I will name my group friends and add a smiley face. All that's left is to save the information by clicking on the green button with the check mark. After a few seconds, the group is created. If you liked the video, please like it and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new content.